Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve ghost touch issues on INFINIX Note 30 VIP. If you are using gestures navigation like this one, then in order to fix this issue, you have to go to Settings, scroll down to System, then select System Navigation, and here select More Settings, and reduce the back sensitivity to low using this slider. And this should fix the ghost touch issues. If it didn't, then go to Special Function menu, scroll down to Accessibility, and then here you're gonna have to scroll down to System Controls. No, not System Controls, I'm sorry, but to Timing Controls, and increase touch and hold delay, or basically adjust it to your needs. Now, if it's also not resolving your issue, then scroll down to System, go to System Update, make sure to install the most recent Android version here, and after that, additionally, you can also go to Reset Phone menu in System Settings and select Reset Calibration Parameters, click OK, and wait until your device is restarted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.